Okay, good morning everyone. My name's George Graham. I'm the exploitation manager on Fortissimo. And my colleague, Terry Sloan, and I are going to give you a bit more information about the Fortissimo marketplace. As Guy mentioned, our intention is to open the marketplace during the summer of this year. So Terry is going to give a demonstration of our current position. However, the current deliverable is merely one point on a development roadmap. So it's a point in a journey of the development of the Fortissimo vision that Guy mentioned earlier. So what I'm going to do is just give some context of the Fortissimo vision, the Fortissimo plan, and Terry will give a demonstration on where we are today. Okay, so my colleague Frank described simulation modeling on advanced HPC is ubiquitous amongst European SMEs. So it's not just used by big companies, it's not just used in complex situations, it's used by SMEs as well. And what that will deliver is significant growth throughout European manufacturing sector. And that will be achieved by improved competitiveness of European SMEs, the ability to improve product development processes, reduce costs, accelerate time to market, reduce risks, and in fact, introduce new differentiated services using, in our vision, cloud-based simulation and modeling. So that's the vision for Fortissimo. And as Guy's mentioned, we intend to do that through cloud-based simulation modeling on high-performance computing. So our goal is to give SMEs easy, cost-effective access to advanced simulation modeling solutions integrated through a cloud infrastructure of HPC resources. Okay? These resources will include high-performance compute platforms, tools, expertise, solutions, visualization tools, and so on. So that is our goal. Our goal is a cloud-based solution to give SMEs easy, cost-effective access to advanced simulation modeling on high-performance compute. And our ambition for Fortissimo, our ambition is a sustainable Fortissimo, whereby the Fortissimo marketplace on HPC cloud, or essentially the marketplace, becomes a portal of choice for accessing advanced cloud-based simulation. So we expect, our ambition is for Fortissimo to be the access mechanism for solutions and services providing simulation and modeling benefit. And I think a key point here is that solution, that portal, will be underpinned by a large community of players who share the same vision. As Guy mentioned, Fortissimo currently has around 120 odd partners. Those partners can deliver significant strength to delivering advantage to European manufacturing SMEs. So one key advantage of Fortissimo is this collaborative community of the consortium that can deliver advantage to European SMEs. So what's our service vision? Well, once again, Guy described our service vision. And our service vision for Fortissimo is an endpoint whereby SMEs have access to simulation as a service. So they don't need a vocabulary that talks about HPC, job submission, batch scripts, telenet connections from their laptop into HPC centers. They use a vocabulary that talks about simulation solutions, modeling solutions, advanced simulation modeling solutions. So they can submit a problem to the simulation cloud and they can get results. They can analyze those results, they can visualize those results, they can use tools in the cloud to provide solutions to their problems. As Guy mentioned, Fortissimo is not a technology project. It's about providing solutions to end-user SME problems, but nevertheless, it will provide a cloud of resources and a marketplace. But the key vision for us is simulation as a service provision to SMEs. And that will be provided by two main mechanisms. Guy's mentioned the marketplace. The marketplace will provide access, and that access will be to a cloud of simulation and modeling and HPC resources. It will combine, it will collaborate, it will give access to collaborative resources, services, applications, expertise, and tools, and the marketplace will connect end-user problems to solutions through the marketplace. The marketplace will provide one-stop shop access to the cloud. The hardware, services, applications, expertise, and so on are easily accessible on a pay-per-use basis. So pay-per-use is a key element of the business model that we're developing for Fortissimo. And also the marketplace will provide single sign-on, user support, accounting and billing, one-stop shop. The user will be in control of the resources they consume. They will be control over the data they place in the Fortissimo cloud and how they use that data. That will be secure and confidential. And the marketplace and the cloud, the Fortissimo cloud will have measurable quality. So that's essentially our vision for Fortissimo, for the Fortissimo marketplace, the Fortissimo HPC cloud. This is a vision that everyone in the Fortissimo project shares. So it's a shared vision. And we think by presenting a vision which sees the end game as ubiquitous use of advanced simulation and modeling on HPC throughout European manufacturing, then that vision will be able to be shared not just by Fortissimo, but solution providers, experts, HPC providers, any end user or any service provider wishing to provide a service to the SME community will be able to share that vision and utilize the Fortissimo marketplace to enable that end game. So this is a diagram that represents that structure. Guy's already presented that, but essentially there's a couple of communities that the service layers provide advantage to. Obviously, a key is providing SMEs with access to HPC infrastructure in the cloud. So we've got HPC infrastructure that essentially is a platform that everything's built upon with HPC platform as a service access to that. That will not only give end users access to HPC, but will give ISVs, small ISVs, medium ISVs, access to HPC platform as a service, plus combined tools that will allow them to provide differentiated services through the marketplace to sets of end users. End users will be able to use matchmaking to present problems through the marketplace. The marketplace will provide a matchmaking service to connect users with problems to suppliers with solutions. Through the registry service, suppliers will be able to lodge capabilities on the marketplace, solutions, services, and so on that match end user needs. So the matchmaking and registry services will be a mechanism of connecting user needs to solutions. A couple of other very interesting services, a business container service, for example. As Guy mentioned, Fortissimo is not about technology, it's about providing solutions. So Fortissimo per se is not going to provide the simulation and modeling solutions that end user needs. It's going to facilitate the presentation of those solutions to end users. The business container is going to be one service which provides that. End user or ISVs, for example, small ISVs that don't have a sales channel, a marketing channel, perhaps don't have expertise in accounting, billing, and so on. Essentially, if you imagine an ISV that has a technological focus, who has produced a new solution in the simulation and modeling space, but doesn't have the fulfillment services to back that up, can place their service in a Fortissimo business container. The business container will allow that service to be delivered to an end user community. The Fortissimo will provide the market connectivity, will provide the accounting, the billing and customer interaction for that ISV. So the business container is a service which will allow Fortissimo to be extended with a wide range of services, solutions and services to meet end user needs without Fortissimo being a technology-focused project. So that's essentially the services that we are producing to reach the Fortissimo vision. I won't go into this slide in too much detail. This is the Fortissimo business model that we're currently developing. However, the key here is that what we're developing is a sustainable Fortissimo marketplace and Fortissimo cloud. Okay, our objective, our vision is for the Fortissimo marketplace to be sustained beyond the life of the project. So we have plans for how Fortissimo can be economically sustainable. We have plans for revenue streams. We are costing the operation of Fortissimo going forward so that we can provide a sustainable Fortissimo marketplace and Fortissimo cloud going forward. So just to sum up, and before Terry provides a presentation of the current state of the marketplace, Fortissimo marketplace and HPC cloud are providing benefits to two main sector groups. The first is manufacturing SMEs. And for manufacturing SMEs, we'll provide simulation as a service that offers cost-effective, secure, easy access, one-stop shop access to solutions for end-user SMEs. That will be backed up with integrated user support, help services, easy-to-use matchmaking, and backed up by marketplace consultancy services that will help novice users find solutions to their problems. The second group is a key group that will help extend the service capability of Fortissimo, and that group is solution and service providers. And through services such as business containers and HPC platform as a service facilities, those ISVs will be able to implement their solution in the Fortissimo HPC, in the Fortissimo cloud, and present that solution to end users. Fortissimo will essentially undertake the fulfillment operations, the user resource monitoring, accounting, billing, interfacing with the end user on behalf of the ISV. So it will take a lot of the operational load of the ISV, allow the ISV to focus purely on a technology solution. They can use the marketplace to reach end users and to provide the fulfillment functions that perhaps small ISVs don't have. So that's just the background. So that's hopefully placed the marketplace and the Fortissimo cloud within context for you. Terry will give a demonstration now of where we are and the type of marketplace that will be opened up during the summer.